Hello, tutor and classmate. Oral presentation introduced myself, tell about my street experiences in Pasto Nariño, the weather in Pasto Nariño, recommendation is you go to Pasto Nariño. Listen. My name is Marley Cristina Campos Andrade. I am 57 years old. I live in Hormiga Putumayo. I had wonderful my family, composed being my mother, my husband, and 2 children. I am secretary. I am studying business administration in the nightlife to dance and go to observe what my family. I work in advertising company. Okay. The igual will talk about all my travel experience to the Pasto Nariño. In the vacation, we went in the city because I free myself for in the city because free myself for in the street of work. I am free my family. We enjoy the walks on the park and the sanctuary of Las Lajas and touring sites in tangible heritage of Colombia and the world. The climate in the Pasto Nariño is very cool. Something I rain or sun is the reeds, but the cold weather predominates. The earth is also necessary to have refrigeration to refrigerate certain type of food. In Pasto Nariño, I walk with caution. In sincere, I love us security. You should know are living your home in the house. On stage, people you should always hear the service of award to be alert. Now I will talk about some recommendation when you want to travel to the beautiful place. First, you must 3 delicious pilak is screen at will stop a delicious Guinea pin. Be sure to visit the sanctuary of the Las Lajas, which is location in Ipiales, something very important. Thank you to thank accounts be traveling to Pasto is to tag your cooks so that always protection from the coast, a very cast and umbrella in the cast in the train. Thank you.